Okay guys, got a 98 Chevy Malibu here. It's got the 6-cylinder in it, and I just want to show you spark plugs real quick. It's an older vehicle. I think there's a lot of videos out on this, but I just figured I'd make one real quick since I was doing it. So I got a spark plug wrench here, I got an extension, and the 3/8 ratchet. I pulled off all three of these. Normally you would want to just pull off one at a time, change the plugs so you don't mishap the wires. But in this case, these are original OEM wires. They're all labeled and they're in the proper order. So if yours are not set inside that little clip, then just do one at a time. Pull the plug out, replace it, put the plug back in, and put that wire back on. So in this case, I'm just going to open this up. Now, one of the things I wanted to show you to look for here, I had a misfire code on this engine, and I'm pretty sure it's spark plugs. So let me pull this out. Let me show you the other two that I've already pulled. So the misfire was on the number 4 cylinder, and as you can see there, this one was the number 4 cylinder. You can see how that element is just completely burnt down. So definitely a misfire code. This could throw an evap code too, because the extra fuel that's not getting ignited in the cylinder is going out, and the computer thinks, hey, we got raw fuel going through here, or we have cut the air, or too much air pressure, air vacuum, etc. It can just make it juggle off. So if you get an evap code as well as a misfire code, go to spark plugs first, or possibly spark plug wires, but I think that makes sense to you. So yeah, so if you need these for this vehicle, I'll put a link in the description below for you as well, and maybe for that socket too, because these sockets, especially when you get to doing the back ones back there, you want the little rubber boot that's down inside there so it can grab hold of them for you. And so that's it. You're just going to do one at a time. And I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.